Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and I didn't expect to film another video today, but I just went to Ulta and I found something that I know some of you will like because I had them before, not exactly the same boxes. I had some boxes before on my channel. You saw them and some of you told me that you like them, and they just came today in the Ulta store. I found them in the store, and also some of them are available online. I didn't see the 4 of them online. I think I saw 3 of them or 2, probably 3. Those are some new kits from Ulta Beauty. I had some of them in my first giveaway. Also, I had some unboxings of those boxes on my channel, and because I saw them and I remember many of you were asking me about them, how do I get them, I decided to post this video just in case if you want to check them. If you don't find them on the website, go ahead and check the stores, because some of them, as I said, are not listed on the website. The first one that I got, it's Target treatment. Looks like this. This one has 6 products in the box, and this one was $9.99, a value of $27. And because I'm here and we don't have anything else to do right now, I'm gonna open them and show you what's in this box, in each box actually. So you'll decide if you like them or not, if you think it's worth it, the trip to the store, or to buy them online if you like them. The first product in here, it's the Freeman, if I'm saying right, Beauty Infusion Revitalizing Peel-Off Mask, which is this one. Then we have from Ulta Beauty Hydrating Coconut Extract Antioxidant Rich Green Tea Extract. It's another face mask. It's from the Ulta brand. We have in here Neutrogena Deep Clean Purifying Wash Off Clay Mask, which comes in this capsule. And we have 3 more products. One of them is, and I like the fact that they have an expiration date, this one is Pour to the Pore Cleansing Volcanic Ash Clay Mask. I Do Care, it's the brand. I never heard about this one before. Looks like this. The sizes are deluxe samples, I would say. Some of them are, this one is this gray color. Probably from this one you can use at least 2-3 times. This one, I don't know, maybe it's a single use. Then we have in here number 7 Restore and Renew Face and Neck Serum. Is this one. And the last product in here, we have this Nip and Fab Exfoliate Glycolic Fix Daily Cleansing Pads, and in this one we have 10 of them. So this is all in this box. All these 6 products are $9.99. Let me know what do you think about them, if it's worth it or not. So far we have 10 exfoliating pads from Nip and Fab. We have the number serum, neck and face serum. We have 2 face masks. One is from Ulta, the other one is Freeman. And then we have Neutrogena clay mask. And we have this I Do Care. This is Pour to the Pore. So this was the first box that I found. As I said before, you might find all of them in the store. You might find different ones, because I got in the store one that wasn't listed on the website or in the advertiser. Then I got another one which looks like this. This box is $25, a value of $40. This one is called Fragrance Faves for Her. Free rollerball offer inside. If you look at the picture, looks like this. Don't get tricked by this because the products are not looking like this. In reality, in the box you get those small tiny very tiny samples, 1 or 2 usage. Those are great brands in here, but in my opinion, also with this card you can get a free roller ball from one of these scents, one of these 6. I don't know, in my opinion, I think it's a little bit too expensive to pay $25 for 6 those tiny mini samples. So the first one in here it's Ralph Lauren Woman, the second one is Gucci Bamboo, Daisy Dream from Marc Jacobs, Tory Burch Love Relent, something like that. Anyway, it's a Tory Burch one. Dolce Gabbana Light Blue and Lancome La Vie Belle. As I said, great brands, but I don't know, maybe you think it's worth it. For me, I would say this is a bit too expensive for what you get in this. So anyway, it was this one was 25. Then another box in here, and I think this one is the one that I like the most. Another $9.99 box. This one is called Skincare Superstars. Looks like this. And in this one we have a lot of paper as usual. So in this one we have an Olay sample. This one is Regenerist Whip, is this tiny sample here. Then we have a Vichy product, it's a deluxe sample, and this one is Aqualia Thermal Rich Cream, is this one. And let's see how big is this cream. Here is the jar. Then we have in here La Roche-Posay, if I'm saying right. This is Lipicar Balm. And this one is Intense Repair Moisturizing Cream. And the size of this, it's like this. So La Roche-Posay. Then we have L'Oreal. This one is Pure Clay Cleanser. I'm sure we got one of these in one of those Target boxes. I think so. Then we have CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. We have Olay Pro Retinol Eye Treatment. And we have Garnier Skin Active Moisture Balm. So is this one, it's a sample that comes often in boxes. By far I think, as I said, this box is the best one from all 4. Just skincare, it's an Olay sample. We have also the Vichy cream, the La Roche-Posay, whatever, moisturizing cream. We have CeraVe cream, the L'Oreal cleanser, the Olay eye treatment, and the moisturizer from what's the name of this, moisture balm from Garnier. So I do like this box. I think this one is well worth it, $9.99. And the value of this, let me tell you what's the value of this one. The value of this is $30. We have right here in the corner. And the last one that I found in the store but not online is this one, which is called Pamper Yourself, Bath and Body Must Have. It's just with body products, 6 of them. If you watch my channel, you know that I love body creams, body gels, and all that kind of things. This one was again $9.99. It has a value of almost $32. So this one is better packed than the other one, and as value I think this one works the most because I see a full size item in here. This one also can be a great gift for Mother's Day. And we have first in here, I'm going to take them out, is this artisan bed fizzy whatever spearmint eucalyptus. It's a full size. A big one is this one. Then we have in here, we have the Soap and Glory body moisturizer, which smells really nice. I like the brand. I got the calendar. Delicious, very nice. And also we have in here 4 more products. This is Being by Sanctuary, Cloudberry, and something with Blossom body lotion. We have then, the sizes are quite okay, I would say, not very big. This one is bigger for the other one. This one is Water Beauty, if I'm saying right, Specialty Care Hand and Nail Cream, and also looks like a full size. And then we have the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Illuminating Body Lotion. Smells really sweet. I would like them to not come in this type of packaging because squeezing those it's so hard. But anyway, this one smells really nice. And the last one in here, it's a Body Shop product. Is the Body Shop Satsuma probably shower gel, which looks like this. Looks delicious. And this one smells really nice also. So that's all in this box. So far I like this box also. I like this one and the skincare one. I think they are worth the $9.99 that you pay for the box. This one is really great, and as I said, can be a nice gift for Mother's Day on a cheaper side. But anyway, it has great brands as Soap and Glory, the Body Shop, and also the Shea Moisture is a good brand. I didn't try the other ones, but probably they are okay. So yeah, that's all for Ulta, from Ulta, that I got today. I saw some of them online, as I said. I'm gonna leave the links for those that I found online in the description box as usually. You let me know if you want me to post those this kind of video with all those skincare kits or any other boxes. If you think they are useful and you wanna know about them, just let me know and I will keep doing this. In the meantime, you have a great Sunday, at least the rest of it, because it's not much left. But anyway, you have a great day, a great week next week, and I'll see you soon with another unboxing, probably a haul, or who knows what's gonna be. Thank you so much for watching. Again, congratulations to the winner for the giveaway. I hope she's gonna answer. We'll see. If not, I'm gonna wait 48 hours and we'll choose another winner just in case if she's not answering. So yeah, that's all for now. Thank you so much. There is another giveaway open on my channel if you want to enter that, and if you're new, you can enter the other one, and that's kind of all. I'll see you guys soon. You have a great day. Bye bye.